Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove the header from the last page in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Then we can see here many page. Then we go to the another page and check this all page. Here all page available the header text. Now we want to remove the header text only the last page. Go to the last page, then click right button on our mouse and select the insert section. Then go to the last page again and then click right button on our mouse and go to the master pages option, then select none. Then check the header text. Here not available the header text. Then go to the another page and we can see here available the header text. Now we can see we remove header text only from last page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.